What's up, my white tea homies? This is Salifia, and I'm coming in at you with another video. And in this video, I am going to show you my primer collection, or favorite primers, or just primer collection. I'll call it that. Some of them are my favorites, but some of them are not favorites for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into the video without doing too much rambling. But first, let me let you know that I did a while ago, probably about a month ago, I did a video on my foundation collection. I did that video on my other channel, and if you would like to see that video, go on over there. But if you are new and you would just like me to go through those foundations here on this channel, I have no problem with this, so please leave your comments. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as well as leave a comment before you leave. Share this video and like it. Yeah, like it. So with that being said, after I've gotten all those technicalities out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first primer, I don't have it here with me, it's at Babe's house, but it is the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. That primer has to be one of my favorites. I'm going to say that. It is one of my favorites. While all of the primers I'm going to show you are not favorites, the Fenty Pro Filter Primer is definitely one of my favorites. It's something that I will keep in my rotation because I definitely like it. Because I do have combination oily skin, so let me get that out of the way. I have combination oily skin like a lot of women of color have. You know, you have a lot of women of color that have dry skin, but a lot of us have oily skin, and for me it's like right up here in these T-zones. It is like, if I don't take care of my skin right and eat properly, or to the best of my ability, and drink water, I'm like a Crisco ball right up in here by the end of the day. And so therefore these primers definitely help with that. So now let's get into the ones that I do have right here in front of me. Another primer that I do have is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This primer right here I've had a few months. The jury is, I guess, is still out on how I feel about this one. This is definitely not a silicone based primer. It's kind of a little slippery to me, but it does dry down really good. It definitely does not give you a matte finish to your makeup or whatever, but it works really well with the Born This Way foundation. I will say that. I haven't used it with another foundation, so I can't tell you how it works with another one, but it definitely works well with that one. Another primer that I have is the NARS Radiance Enhancing Primer, and this one is pretty much empty. It's like gone. This one is like, yeah, I really like this one. I don't think I'll be buying one anytime soon, but for the summer I probably will, because this one has a sunscreen in it, and it is always good to have a sunscreen. I know we still need sunscreen in the winter times. I'm not so big on sunscreen in the winter as I am in the summer, so I know I won't be buying another one of these until the summer if I do purchase one at that time. My next one, and this is one that I haven't reached for, and I need to just take some of these primers and put them out and use them, especially this one, because I definitely will not be getting another one, and it is the Laura Geller Under Makeup Primer, Spackle Under Makeup Primer. It's okay. It's okay. I could see my oils peeking through when I wear this primer, so this one definitely is not, it's not one of my favorite primers, I will say that, but I am going to use it up because I do have it in my collection. And the next one as well is a Laura Geller primer. It is the Even Tone Makeup Primer, and what made me buy this one was because when I first got this one, I thought this one was like thebomb.com, but as you get to use more and more products, you learn what is really good for your face, your skin, whatever, and what is not, and that one wasn't. But in the midst of that, I said, well, this says even tone, this will even out my skin a bit, so let me give this one a shot. And this one is okay. I do like this one better than this one. However, will I repurchase these? No, I definitely will not repurchase either of these. This next primer, I actually got this in a BoxyCharm box, and it's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. To be totally honest, I've only used this primer one time, but because I'm making the video, I'm including it in the video, so I can't tell you how I feel about it because I just don't know. Another one is this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I got this sample from somewhere, but I will say that Smashbox was the first primer that I did start off with. If I'm not mistaken, this is a silicone base because it has that feel, that silicone-y feel to it. It does say oil free, but like I said, when I first started off with wearing makeup, when I worked at Ulta in 2010, I used this primer, and this primer was like at the top of my list, but definitely is not at the top of my list right now. Another primer that I have is the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. That is what it's called, and that is definitely a long name. This one right here, I like this one, but I use it with another primer. I haven't used this one. No, I did use this one by itself, but it did not hold my oils enough. It kind of gave me a dewy look, so to speak, when I put my foundation on with it. It's okay, but I got this out of a BoxyCharm box as well. Will I purchase this on my own? Definitely will not. All right, so to end this video and to round it all off, let me give you my number one, my favorite, my numero uno primer, and that is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Okay, so I had to change my battery pack. So as I was saying, let me show you this again just in case. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Now this primer right here, this is another one that I got out of a BoxyCharm box, and if you watch my other channel, you will know this is my second tube of this. I used my points on my BoxyCharm account to purchase this one right here. And I think I may go and use some points to purchase another one. This one right here, when I tell you this thing does wonders on my pores. I don't have like huge pores, but my pores do stand out a bit. And they definitely stand out when I'm not drinking enough water. I don't know about you all, but when I'm not drinking enough water, my pores definitely are more prominent than when I do get in my fair share of water. And like I said, I purchased this one with my BoxyCharm points, and I think they do have it again. I'm not sure, but every time I look on there to purchase something with my points, I can never, you know, pick anything else because I want to save all my points just to get this one right here. And I don't remember how many points I used to get this one, but this is a good primer. I think it retails for $38, which is it's a nice penny. It's a nice coin. But you know, getting it from BoxyCharm through using my charm points definitely helps. But yeah, so if I have to say that a primer is my favorite, it would definitely be this one. And so yeah, that is it for this video. I just wanted to come in and share my primers. On the other video on my other channel, I showed my foundation, and I got asked about the primers, and I said I definitely will come back and show the primers, or at least I think I had said I would show the primers, so I had to come back and show the primers. I'm not sure if there's anything else you would like to see in my collection. Please let me know. I do think I'm supposed to be doing an eyeshadow collection video. I'm not sure, but either way it goes, these are the primers, and I hope you did enjoy this video. Please don't forget, before you step out of this video or before you click off this video, to go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications of every time I upload a new video, and please do share this video across all of your social media sites. So until the next time and between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.